Honda Grom Best Beginner Motorcycle. When it comes to beginner motorcycles, few models have captured the imagination of new riders quite like the 2024 Honda Grom. This compact, lightweight, and stylish mini bike has become a favorite for those starting their motorcycling journey, offering a fun, approachable, and practical riding experience that's perfect for beginners. At the heart of the Honda Grom is a small but punchy 125 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine that delivers around 9.7 horsepower and 10.9 Newton-meters of torque. While modest in displacement, the engine's smooth and responsive nature makes it ideal for new riders to learn throttle control and bike handling without feeling overwhelmed. Its fuel injection system ensures efficient fuel consumption and easy starts, even in varying weather conditions. One of the biggest draws of the Grom is its incredibly lightweight design, tipping the scales at just about 103 kilograms, wet. This makes the bike extremely easy to maneuver, especially in congested urban environments where tight turns, stop-and-go traffic, and quick reactions are part of daily riding. The low seat height of 760 mm further enhances accessibility, allowing riders of nearly all sizes to feel confident and in control. The Grom's small footprint doesn't just make it easy to ride, it also makes it highly practical. Its compact dimensions enable easy parking and storage, which is a big plus for city dwellers and those with limited garage space. Despite its size, the bike offers surprising stability and comfort thanks to its telescopic front fork and rear monoshock suspension system that soak up bumps on urban roads with ease. Braking on the Honda Grom is handled by a front disc brake and a rear drum brake, with some newer versions offering ABS for added safety. This setup provides reliable stopping power that's perfect for beginner riders still mastering their braking techniques. The Grom's styling is another key factor in its popularity. With its playful, aggressive street fighter look, sharp lines, and bright color options, it appeals strongly to younger riders and those who want a bike with personality. The fully digital LCD instrument panel clearly displays speed, fuel level, and other essential information in an easy-to-read format. Affordability is one of the Grom's strongest suits. Priced competitively in the beginner motorcycle segment, it offers tremendous value for money. Its low maintenance costs and excellent fuel efficiency make it an economical choice for riders starting out. Safety and reliability also come standard with Honda's proven build quality and engineering. New riders can trust that the Grom will provide a dependable riding experience while they build their skills and confidence on the road. In conclusion, the 2024 Honda Grom is arguably one of the best beginner motorcycles available today. Its lightweight design, manageable power, and fun character make it a standout choice for new riders, especially those in urban settings. Whether it's learning the basics or simply enjoying a spirited ride around town, a Honda Grom delivers an accessible and enjoyable entry point into the world of motorcycling.